I just realized that I am not supposed to write my book at all, that I'm not supposed to force myself to carve out time to sit at my laptop and type all day to write my book. When I realized that this next calling for me was to write a book, I froze because I was like, I'm not a writer. I don't see myself as an author. I'm still laughing about it. My brain went into, oh, what are all the things that you need to do as an author? You need to write an outline. You need to know what your structure is. You need to know who you're talking to. You need to know what the topic is, right? And so I was spinning out in that instead of actually following my way, following the way that works for me, which is listening and following, listening for the intuitive hits, listening for the nudges from the universe, and follow the next thing, which has been really fun for me. So why wouldn't I keep doing that? What I am supposed to do is allow what's most natural for me to come through. And that is for me to allow the being of who I am, the essence of my creative genius, to come through my whole body, channel that energy through my voice, and to speak out my book. This is a huge aha for me because it's so much easier for me than to force myself to sit at my computer. So, this is where your path is not always what you think it has to be. Always come back to checking in with what comes naturally for you because you are designed in a way where your way works. But this is what's fun about playing with the universe and allowing the universe to show you the way. And that is being open to receiving. Even though I was in this mode of, I need to know all the things, I was still open to receiving. Being open to receiving meant that you are constantly looking for the signals. You're more aware of, oh, is this a seed? Is this a breadcrumb to something? You get to really get curious about it and play with it. And so last week, in the middle of the night, I woke up and I got the message of, you're going to do a 50-day video challenge. You're going to just go back to recording, speaking for 50 days and see what happens. And that was really interesting for me because I was starting to feel that energy of wanting to get back into social media, to maybe do some videos for YouTube, but I didn't really commit to anything. When this new nudge came through of, okay, you're going to do a 50-day challenge, more evidence came through to show me that, oh, yes, of course, this is to actually help me with my book. Okay, this is going to help me to talk about the different topics that I might want to talk about. It'll help clarify what that outline is. I thought it was more to do with the structure and not really about speaking the book out. I didn't realize I was to speak my book until this recent meditation that I had done called the Mute to Muse meditation. And my muse had handed me back my pen. And she said to me, emanate, radiate light throughout the body, through the throat, channel it all, call of the siren, shake them out of their sleep, open body to receive and transmit, not just from the heart, but from your being. And this was like mind-blowing for me because I've always resonated with my hands being a source of power for me. I love, even when I dance, I love moving my hands. I feel like I'm moving energy. I use my hands for Reiki, for energy healing as well. I channel a lot of my power through my hands. And so if I hang up my pen, I'm actually freeing up my hands to be doing this. This was something I was struggling with when I was called to write a book, because I was like, how do I provide this one-to-one experience of still having this energy healing through the written word? But this is where the physical, the mental, emotional, all and the spiritual all connect together. Oh, the hands are now my instruments. I can really take ownership of what comes natural for me. And this is where I invite you to take a look at what comes most natural for you and let it be your way. Let it be the way that works for you. And to question the traditional ways of doing something. This is the beauty of us being creative geniuses. We are creators. We have our creative way of doing things. And yes, we can learn different formats. We can learn different ways of communicating, of delivering different things. But I see those as ways of us following our curiosity, allowing ourselves to try those things on to see if it actually fits for us. But at the end of the day, all those things are actually letting us know what is actually natural for us. This is easy for me. Maybe not so much the recording myself part, but when I have set the intention of what I want to share, and I believe in the power of my voice. I believe in the transmission of the voice. The frequency of my voice will make shifts. It's not in the words, it's the love that I have behind this, that I know it will make an impact. I trust that I am connected to source energy and that source is speaking through me. It feels so loving. It feels so giving. It feels so generous. It just feels good. It feels easeful. I hope that in joining me here today, this provides a little nudge to all the little nudges that you might be receiving, and really allowing your way to work, allowing whatever comes naturally for you to work. I invite you to join me in my little experiment here with recording for 50 days. Hit subscribe. May you live freely as you.